This is a review of Klean Kanteen TKWide twist cap insulated bottle. It's a 20-ounce insulated water bottle. It works as a mug, an insulated cup, or just a water bottle. You can keep your favorite beverages in this bottle, hot or cold. The insulated water bottle has a climate lock that keeps contents iced for up to 59 hours. It's pretty amazing. And the bottle is very durable. It stands up to getting banged around or even dropped. It's a portable stainless steel water bottle. The water bottle includes a leak-proof twist cap with the built-in reusable steel straw. I recommend this product.